Hello everyone, let's get into the Sexy Smooth Wax Purple Seduction with the Sexy Smooth packaging. I'm super excited about the packaging. This is a purple hard wax with micro beads. I'm excited about micro beads. I just had to let y'all hear that, but micro beads melt a lot faster in my opinion. So if you are in a pinch, baby, it'll get you right. Look at this deep purple color, it's so pretty. I'm gonna do an underarm wax today on myself. I let my underarms grow out for about 5 weeks, so let's see if it stands up to the test because this is some super coarse hair. And yeah, let's see. Me making my struggle strip. Yeah, girl. But anyways, let's get into these roots. It picked up all that hair on the first try, but we're gonna do a cleanup. This wax is amazing. Y'all need to run, don't walk to get this wax. I can't wait to get more. And here's the result of that underarm. Guys, I'm in love with this wax. Please go and get it. That's all I can say. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. Bye.